In the past, the idea of traveling out of Nigeria to seek medical treatment in other countries was one that was reserved only for top government officials. However, in recent times, more and more people have joined the trend, seeking medical treatment in other countries. Medical tourism, as this trend is aptly termed, refers to people traveling to countries where they are not residents to seek medical treatments. In the past, the term referred to traveling from less developed countries to top medical centers in more developed countries for treatments that are unavailable at home. However, in recent years, medical tourism has come to include traveling from developed countries to developing countries for lower-priced medical treatments. Some of the places visited most by medical tourists include India, Thailand, and Latin America. It is important to note that the deplorable state of the healthcare system in Nigeria has led to this increasing medical travel trend. The major reason patients travel abroad for medical services is to get the highest possible quality of healthcare, which they believe cannot be provided in the country. Many who travel outside the country are aware that the cost of surgery in Nigeria is a fraction of what it would cost in other countries. Nevertheless, they are willing to pay the huge cost for operations in foreign countries rather than solicit the services of a Nigerian physician. Although this trend may seem like a suitable solution, there are some dangers attached to medical traveling that you need to know about. One of such dangers? Infection. Infection is one of the risks of medical tourism. A patient can become infected with diseases that are only endemic in the country they are visiting. They also risk bringing the disease back home and spreading it. Communication issues. If you don't know the language of the other country, the risks are higher. You may not be able to communicate your health issues or ask for help if something goes wrong, even with the help of an interpreter. Complications and follow-up. Patients who travel abroad for medical treatment risk returning with complications or infections that require costly treatments. Equally, they are unable to access the follow-up they require for their full recovery. Health illegalities. The patient may become a victim of medical illegalities such as organ harvesting. When this occurs, the patient may not be able to seek justice. Legal issues. When issues or complications occur with your surgery or treatment, you may not be able to seek legal redress. You may not have legal rights and may not be able to receive compensation for a mishandled surgery or negligent care. Medical tourism is not a new phenomenon. However, studies show that Nigeria is currently losing billions of naira to this trend. This begs for urgent actions to reverse this trend. These actions include adequate funding of the healthcare system, improved healthcare facilities and medical equipment, and provide better remuneration and motivation for healthcare workers. Finally, providing adequate training for healthcare workers and improved medical research centers will also go a long way to curbing this trend.